In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple bank accounts on Kashflow. Whether you're managing finances for personal or business purposes, being able to track transactions across multiple accounts efficiently can be a game changer for your financial management. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process seamlessly. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to Iris Kashflow. This is the platform where you'll manage your bank accounts and handle your account transactions. Once you're logged in and landed on the home page, direct your attention to the left side menu where you can spot the bank option. Go ahead and click on that. This simple step is your doorway to managing all your bank accounts linked with Kashflow. After you click on Bank, you'll be directed to a new page showing your existing bank accounts and transaction summaries. But don't worry if you haven't linked any bank yet. We're about to change that. On this page, find the Add New Account button and give it a click. This feature is key because adding a new account will enable you to manage and track various transactions under one roof effectively. Now you're ready to enter the primary details of your new bank account. This includes basic information like the account name and possibly specifics like the account number or sort code depending on what Kashflow requires. Pay close attention and ensure this information is accurate to avoid any mix-ups later on. Next, you'll need to select the account type that best fits what you're adding. This could be a current account, savings account, or any other type listed. Choosing the right account type not only helps in managing transactions more effectively, but also assists in categorizing them appropriately for future